You know what is going on YouTube. I am Pramod here. As he goes into on screen today, I want to talk a little bit about Mullen Automotive Incorporated. This is a ticker symbol MULN. And for those who don't know, then today's was not a great day for Mullen on their down day 3.92% on the date. Yes, they are on up 1.63% above 4 hour. We are here into Friday with maybe a little bit of momentum. Maybe this after 4 hours game will cry over into tomorrow, but you know tomorrow is a Friday. I had a long weekend. Obviously you did Memorial Day on the Monday where the market are going to be closed. My often times people aren't necessarily super excited about the holding volatile stock over a long weekend, especially when the market bean has copy that have been recently. Want to see how that goes to. Obviously Mullen been under dollar kind of such too, but especially on a day like today where the market are very green. So Dow Jones and the 1.6% as the MP almost up at the present. Nasdaq over the 2.5% and the Russell being 2.17%. Not great for a start to be done. Down, I mean obviously underperforming. The major index are generally in bad, being in the red when they are green is but they are being pretty significant red when all the major and pretty significant green is even worse. Be in this video there will be one gone over all the latest for Mullen on to the guesses and so up to date on the every time that's gone on short of and a drop like I do enjoys video. I would appreciate it that so much. In subscriber it the non-religious content of course is always are not going to be any financial advice. In this video today I am telling you guys to buy or sell anything other than like that, just going over some posts, some articles, some stories, given my thoughts and the opinion. With the being said, let's get ready into so the first of one being stories of the day. I was this tweet for David Mystery are obviously any time of CEO of our company is tweeting are especially where he tweet in as frequently as he does. People are going to hype up, people are going to be little bit excited and had read out the scaling from the cell level to pack level development is a major accumulation trend, and what I am proud to announce is progressive with a leg. Our partner hashtag #IAutomotive hashtag we as a year. This is a cool. Obviously this partnership is something that we have already heard about the previous, and this is also a kind of between partnership that has people on both sides people are really excited that handed partnership that they seem to have more business partner at the seams to way forward with them in the terms development technology in just obviously the production staff likely to age of good sign, just they are getting business deals done and everything. But on the other side there is a people that are calling into question about what exactly is going on the lag, and this is on other really big story of the day that this is a multiple difference in the people have posted like they have said there was anyone into the line go wrong grave don't want to exactly bonja that L. This guy says if I cannot find anything that isn't MULN starting the partnership in their open corporate and saying that he found zero company I did. I am assuming they spelled correctly, but maybe the puzzle has been crazily, I am not sure. And a lot of people are saying here now you are not going to find a lot of American search engines or Google are not his American website. Maybe you don't find, maybe you can find it on some Chinese search and trainer site like that, but still as a Western person is hard to find too much info about the LGBT. It is hard to fix are exactly if this partnership good is a real, that a scam is not a bad his own to be excited about the meaningless, like who knows for sure. We know that the partnership we going to potential a deal that may be going to be making moons and money, but the other now we don't have too many specify. I think anyone pretending that they know this is a your great sign of claim dunk here. Home run has a just kind of hoping, praying for the best. Say and has to be had bad news necessary a bad thing. You say if we it more even if you not exactly what's going on. He knows more that was specified. Especially the company like MULN that is earlier under such saturating a company like MULN that people are already some question about its legitimacy. Not only they have actually going to be accumulate your goal of growth and probability and going all these things are you going to be a Tesla are going to be no one of many Tesla competition being pretender or fraud or whatever, but then also just you yacht or even legitimate. Are you going to be able to do lot of things? These things so kind of in changing a big news in the school of David mystery to about. So some of the always good see, but then yes, there are definitely some people questioning at these as well. And there was other post of read it about the two partner. I didn't say those, but was other people taking about his kind of in kitchen. I don't know if you know more info about LG, and many other people definitely love to hear about that. We have to well regarding that the pre-news everyone is waiting for 3 bunch of different things in the way of battery test results and waiting on cannot be wait here about those. We also have to Fortune 500 company partnership has promised that the people are still waiting on the people are wondering what they're going to be whatever deals are going to be was a man using the big of a deal is actually going to be get hype late in the matter of lot, but we cannot wait to see much texts are going to be matter to the person. I listen in our podology that lives based last night was finally spoke with a nice day lady a mall and headquarter, and she said that the battery news will be coming out in next to 3 weeks to something earlier to be mid-June. Appropriately illegally they asked her about Fortune. I have 100 companies here. The release name of like company give you head which they still don't have their company. As per the company is a prominent company that is everyday name. The business Rob said a lot of be surprised probably will not immediately recognize the name of when the announced see they employ or more and aware how popular more stock is the same has become. Comment they know the frustrated with the delay of NPR news all they kind of engaging. It also big news has a big way that they can be me. It's not a Amazon. This mean that is not Pepsi. Me this that the act as a means is not UPS. This the entire down obviously for the Fortune 500 company for the biggest competition in the entire some the biggest con. So I ended the video. If you are like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for following the channel.